So you've been focusing on manifesting something special in your life. Here are 3 unexpected signs that your manifestation is coming your way and it's coming fast. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, high flyers, visit lawofattractionsolutions.com. We have all kinds of free resources there to help you with your manifesting. The law of attraction, law of assumption, law of vibration. I mean, this is the place you go to get what you want. We have articles, we have blogs, we have free ebooks, we have free audios. We have it all at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Plus, you can claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching and find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life, your dreams, and your goals. So, high flyers, I think it's important to recognize these special, unexpected signs when they show up because look at, you're manifesting. Something is coming into manifestation. It's coming into the 3D world where you can see it, touch it, and believe it. And it's right there. And you don't want it to slip away. And knowing these signs will help keep you on, keep you on course. And that it'll help you keep moving in the right direction on your journey, manifesting what you desire, what you deserve. Now, high flyers, I think it's important that you understand that whatever it is that you desire, whatever it is, it already exists. It's already there. New relationship, specific person, new car, new home, more money in your bank account, a successful business, whatever it is, it's already there. And if you have a burning desire, I'm not talking about a passing or fleeting desire. I'm talking about a burning desire. A burning desire is a desire that you have all the time. It's always with you. You can't shake it. You can't get rid of it. It's part of who you are. That desire is there for a reason. It's interlaced and interlocked in your energy field. It's part of your soul. It's probably even embedded in your DNA. It is who you are. It's part of your journey. And so don't feel bad for having that desire, or don't doubt the fulfillment of your desire, because you wouldn't have it unless the universe wanted you to receive it. So when you start seeing these 3 unexpected signs, high flyers, you're probably at a special point of merging timelines. Your timelines are beginning to merge. And as they merge, the timeline where you have everything you want and the timeline that you're on right now where you still don't have it literally come together. And they become a new timeline where you have exactly what you desire. Or you begin to shift timelines. I don't know which one it is for certain. Some people say you merge the timelines. Other people say you shift. It really doesn't make any difference. The only thing that matters is that you are happy and you are living your fulfilled life and your fulfilled dream. And what you really want, what you really desire, is manifesting in your life right now. Now, let's get on to the 3 signs. Now, people write me all the time and they talk about numbers. And they say, I've seen numbers. I saw 1111 or 222 or 555. All of these numbers have a significance because the universe works through your reticular activating system in your brain to communicate with you and send you signs. But the biggest sign that your manifestation is now, it's like right on the membrane. it's ready to be born into the 3D world, it's ready to come into your life, is the number 9 or the number 999. This is the number of physical manifestation. This is the number where everything has matriculated down from the higher levels of consciousness into the physical world, the 3D world. In other words, it's not just in your mind, it's in your mind and in your senses, in your reality. So, high flyers, one of the little secrets that I have is that every time I see the number 999 and I'm manifesting something, I have something on my mind that I'm manifesting, that I'm bringing into reality, I pause for a moment and give gratitude. I am so grateful that the universe has sent me this sign that what I desire is about to happen in my life. Expect the text, expect the phone call, expect the raise, expect the new car, expect the new home, expect the advancement at work, expect the big part in the movie that you're auditioning for, expect your book to be a million seller, expect it because it's coming into manifestation. If you're seeing the first unexpected sign, 999. So, high flyers, there's an old saying, Nequaqua vacuum. It's a Latin saying. It's very mystical. It means nowhere a void, or nature abhors a void. In other words, if there's a void in your life, the universe will fill it. It'll fill it, and usually with something equivalent or better. So that means that if you have gone through some adversity or loss, that's a huge sign that what you really desire, what you really intend to manifest, is now ready to enter your life. It's literally ready to step through the door and come into your life. And you're going to feel it, touch it, see it, experience it on every level. Full and complete 3D manifestation. But oftentimes, prior to that, there's some adversity, there's some loss. And the reason is that you have to create a void. You have to create this vacuum. And by creating the void, the universe creates the void. Now you have space to fill it with something new, something exciting, something better that you truly, deeply desire to manifest. So, high flyers, number 3 is people are dropping out of your life. And the reason for this is that the universe is making room for new and more resourceful people. I have a friend that I love. We have been friends since we were 15 years of age, and he's dropped out of my life. He's no longer a part of my life. And I tried to bring him back in, and I did, but his life was so different. He was living a life of alcohol and drugs and living in a van and anger at the world and just a negative mentality. Very difficult. I had to let him go. I wished him well. I regularly wish him well. I regularly send him good thoughts and vibration. But he's out of my life. But that made room for other people to come into my life that are partners, that are resourceful, that encourage me. I encourage them. We work together. We build together. They're positive. I'm positive. And so when people drop out of your life, don't always see that as a bad sign. See that as a sign that what you really desire, what you really intend to manifest, is about to pop into your life. You're about to manifest something big, something spectacular that you really desire. It's a painful one. It really is. Okay, high flyers. Look at, you're very close. If you have any one of these 3, you are extremely close to manifesting what you deeply desire. It's coming into your life. And more importantly, say this every morning in the mirror when you get up. Get up, and after your shower, look in the mirror and say, I am worthy and I deserve it. I am worthy of it and I deserve it. Because you are. I believe that. Something big is now ready to manifest in your life. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.